Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about a common skincare problem, whiteheads. These little bumps can be annoying and stubborn, but there are some steps you can take to get rid of them. So, let's get started. Step 1. Cleanse your skin. The first step in any good skincare routine is cleansing. Use a gentle, non-comedogenic cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin. This will help prevent whiteheads from forming in the first place. Step 2. Exfoliate. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and contribute to whiteheads. But be careful not to over-exfoliate, as this can irritate your skin and make the problem worse. Use a gentle exfoliator once or twice a week. Step 3. Use salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a common ingredient in acne-fighting products because it helps to unclog pores. Look for a product with a low concentration of salicylic acid, around 2%, and apply it to the affected areas. Step 4. Spot treat. For stubborn whiteheads, you can spot treat with benzoyl peroxide. This ingredient can help to kill the bacteria that cause acne. Apply a thin layer to the affected area, and be sure to follow the instructions carefully. Step 5. Moisturize. Even if you have oily skin, it's important to moisturize to keep your skin healthy. Look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores. Step 6. Be patient. Getting rid of whiteheads takes time, so don't expect overnight results. Stick to your skincare routine and be patient. With time and consistency, you should start to see improvement. So, there you have it. Our top tips for getting rid of whiteheads. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it may take some trial and error to find what works best for you. But with a little patience and perseverance, you can achieve clearer, healthier skin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.